Verb lesson.
Students will be able to define and identify verbs. Students will be able to demonstrate correct usage of verbs. What is a verb?
Watch this video till end to find out. Let's repeat with me. Verb is an action word. For example, running, eating, clapping, jumping. Let's play Simon Says and recall some action words. Simon says clap your hands. Simon says wiggle your fingers. Simon says pat your belly. Simon says nod your head. Simon says stomp your feet. Activity time. Activity number 1. Scavenger hunt. Activity number 2. Roll a dice and do the action. Activity number 3. What are they doing? Complete the sentences using the verbs from the word bank. Activity number 4. Verb shaker activity. Shake a bottle and pick a verb and use that verb in a sentences. Activity number 5. Verb sorting. Sort verbs and put picture cards in a respective bin. Happy learning, little explorers. Like, subscribe and share for more.